robots are taking the place of manpower. And as a result of that, it's really shaking up the workplace. So this filmmaker decided to ask the question, what can we do in this world in which there's a lot of unemployment as a result of this artificial intelligence and these robots who are taking these jobs away from humans? And where does that leave humans in this world? And what will humans do? And the interesting thing that she found is that humans still have a valuable place in this world because they have things that artificial intelligence do not have, and humans have things that robots do not have. They have the skills that are most needed in this world, which are curiosity, creativity, the ability to take initiative, multidisciplinary thinking, and empathy. And these are things that artificial intelligence and robots will never have. And they cannot fill that void because these are skills that humans will always have. Now, in the film she started it, this is about IT startups and women entrepreneurs who are going through the process of building these businesses from the very beginning and the types of barriers that they face when trying to start up these companies. Now, there are lots of barriers, whether it's in the United States or here in India, that they face. Access to capital is one of these. Also, women are discouraged to take risks as entrepreneurs because of their gender. How do they overcome these barriers when at every twist and turn in the road, people are saying, I don't want you to take these risks. How can you start up a successful company if people are saying you shouldn't be doing this? She tries to answer these questions as she follows these entrepreneurs as they try to find success. Finally, in Hidden Figures. In the early days of NASA, there were some women, African American women, who said, I have the smarts, I have the skills and the abilities to go to NASA and become engineers there to figure out the complex problems to make NASA a better place. And they did this in the face of racial times when people said, one, African Americans are not the equal of white Americans, and two, women are not the equal of men. And in spite of these barriers, these women were able to overcome these obstacles and became key components of NASA succeeding where it may have otherwise failed. These themes are very much in line with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, which is part and parcel of what we're exploring with film here under the India International Science Festival, and also in line with the Global Entrepreneurship Summit that will be held, as I said, at the end of November this year. I hope that you're able to see the illumination in these films as much as I do, and besides that, come away with the entertainment value that these films supply. Now, we purposely didn't want to compete the films because we just wanted you to be able to sit back and take them in for what they are, and that is value. The value in line with science and women breaking barriers. Because that's what we believe in the United States, is that we believe in equality. And that women should be first. And if we don't place them first, there won't be prosperity for all. And that's what the global entrepreneurship is about. Women first, prosperity for all. And if we don't have that, we're not going to see GDP grow. We just won't. And that's why 2 out of these 3 films have both women filmmakers and producers in an entertainment industry that's long been dominated by men. And you'll see that there is high quality in these films. That's why we looked and thought hard about these films that will be screening here today. Once again, it is our pleasure to showcase these U.S. films. Thank you.